Perfect, man. You made it to my next video. Again, my friend, if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate that. My goal here is to help you. And I'm sure if you subscribe, you will get notifications about every video that I will be making. This information is for you, my friend, for you, because I want you to succeed. I want you to make a little extra money, or I just want you to succeed in your online business, okay? And I'm here to share this information with you. I hope this is valuable. Sorry. And if it helps you, don't hesitate to like it. Please give me a like, give me that thumb up, and share this information with your loves, okay? So this video is going to be about how to become an affiliate with ClickMagick. Again, if you don't know what an affiliate is, you might be watching this video again, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be straight up with you. This information might be for you or might not be for you, because some people get it, some people don't get it, some people think it's a scam, but it's not a scam. This thing actually works, guys. I recommend you to do your researches about how to make money online, how to become an affiliate, what's an affiliate, and how to sell other people's products online, how to make money with networks or marketers inside the internet. It's pretty awesome, guys. When I learned this stuff, I was so happy because I knew that one day I was gonna quit my job, right? Anyways, I'm gonna create a new account with ClickFunnels for you guys. Follow the steps, and I hope you make some extra money here, okay? I'm here to help you. I'm not selling you guys anything. I'm helping you. I'm delivering you value for you. I think, see, my goal here again is to help you. So that way you can help your family or your mom or your dad with a little extra income. I mean, it's not actually little, guys. You can make a lot of money with these networks, just one single network. ClickFunnels, you can make even millions, guys. I'm serious, but you have to keep the work on it, okay? And there's also strategies to create more sales, to capture leads, and to succeed better in your online business. Anyways, we're gonna dive inside the internet. We're gonna search for ClickFunnels affiliate. We're gonna click where it says right here, ClickFunnels affiliate login, and then find for where it says ClickFunnels affiliate sign up. Click on that. I hope you can see my screen. You see how much I'm sacrificing for you? I'm making this for you, my friend, okay? So as you see, I have already signed up, but let me get you to the page where you can actually because I wanna take you step by step. So when you go to their page, you're going to see a page pretty much like I want to show you guys, I'm sorry, I want to show you guys very clear everything, okay? We're gonna do this. I'm sorry, guys, I'm just trying to drive you step by step so that way you don't get overwhelmed, okay? And ClickFunnels.com is gonna take me straight to the website. Okay, I'm already logged in. We're gonna log out so that way I can help you guys with the sign up. Okay. Okay, great. Here, so you guys are gonna see a page like this. It's gonna open like this, and you look for where it says sign up, and then where it says sign up, you're gonna look for the button that says sign up as an affiliate. Once you find that button, once you have already find that button that says sign up for affiliate, it's gonna open. Once you have already filled out all the information that is asking you there, you're gonna open it's gonna open a new tab like this with the reports, with the clicks that come in every day, with the sales that you create for them every day. I think they pay you for about they have different packages on their website, so it depends on whatever the people buys from them, you will get paid. But it's pretty good money, guys. It's about $40 or 30 and up per sale plus commission, so you will be making like $80, $100 per sale by selling one single package. Okay, and then imagine you make like 3 sales a day. That's $300, right? And that's possible. And you can search your links. You can look for your link. It says right here, get my affiliate link, and you grab your link here, and you can paste that link on your social media. You can paste that link on you can paste your link on Snapchat or Twitter, and you can create some sales, guys. Okay, so this is it for now. On my next video, I'm gonna drive you guys where I'm gonna drive you guys more into ClickFunnels. Okay, see, this is my affiliate link, and always make sure whenever you sign up for becoming an affiliate, make sure you guys always see this right here. It says ID, and on some of the websites they might give you numbers. Some websites might just give you where it says ID right here. Can you see? It says ID equals 105356. That's your personal ID. So I'm gonna give you guys an example. I'm gonna copy this link. That's my affiliate link, the link that I'm gonna be promoting in order for me to get paid, right? As you see, I'm gonna open a new tab. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna test it on Google browser. I paste it up here. You see the numbers match it with my affiliate link, right? These numbers match it with the ones that I just pasted on Google search. If I click on enter, it'll take me to the sales page, which is mine, and then and then that's how I create sales. Okay, sending people to the website of ClickFunnels, and then from there, if they buy, I get sales. And if obviously this is a website where people comes in and they sign up, and as long as they are signed up, you are gonna be getting paid. Okay, so, and this is also free to sign up. Go ahead and sign up, guys, for it, and start making some extra money from home. If there's anything else that you guys need help with, don't hesitate to comment below these videos. And if you need any help with anything on building an online business, or how to connect, how to build a website or a blog, how to connect autoresponder to your website or a blog, how to connect your social medias to your website or blog, how to create a great YouTube channel. I'm also going to be making videos about how to create a YouTube channel, how to create more sales, and how to use ClickFunnels as well to build a sales funnel for you to have more sales as well. Okay guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. On my next video I'm gonna talk about how to sign up for get response. Please, if you haven't subscribed, again, I recommend you to subscribe, guys. If this information is valuable for you, I'm not asking you for money. All I'm asking for is for you to subscribe and give me that thumb up, please. I love you guys. Please leave comments if you need anything, any help with something online. I will be making a video for you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video where we're gonna be talking about how to make money with GetResponse, okay, as an affiliate. Oh, and you know what, guys, the cool thing about all this is that you don't have to buy these products. You don't have to pay a single dime. You sign up for free. You don't have to see that product with you physically. All you see is the links, these codes right here, for you to share it on your social medias, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. And there's more strategies for you to create more sales. Okay, but we're gonna talk about this in a different video. See you later, guys.